Objective and use case. What you'll build: a simple Raspberry Pi circuit and Python script that blinks one external LED from GPIO 17 at a fixed interval. You'll wire the LED safely with a 330 ohm resistor and verify basic GPIO output control on Raspberry Pi OS. Why it matters divided by use cases. Learn the core GPIO workflow before moving to buttons, relays, sensors, or small automation projects. Practice safe hardware setup with 3.3 volts logic and current, limiting to avoid damaging the LED or GPIO pin. Use LED blinking as a visual status indicator for boot completion, script health, network state, or simple alerts. Validate that Python, wiring, and pin mapping work correctly with a low-complexity test that typically runs with negligible GPU use, 0% GPU, and near-instant GPIO response. Audience: Raspberry Pi beginners, students, and hobbyists, starting with electronics and Python. Level: Basic.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE netlists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point: if you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.